Beloved South Africans, this is Mandi Samtembu. This morning I was out doing my early morning intelligence gathering. It's the 24th of January, Saturday. So the ANC is having a Lekgotla gathering at Beachwood Hotel. The main discussion there will shock you. The main discussion there is to completely overhaul the current democracy and introduce the Sharia law as the law of South Africa. They are planning to completely destroy the current constitution that is not working, that they have implemented with Nelson Mandela. And they want the Sharia, the evil Sharia Islamic law. They want to turn South Africa into an Islamic slavish state. So my message to you guys, people who love South Africa, I saw there are a lot of you guys who are speaking out, but we are not enough. Thousands or 10 or 20 voices are not enough to shake and break the system. I'm not saying you should follow me. I'm not saying you should repost my message. I'm saying a system of oppression can only fall when the people rise and step outside of it. We are not angry enough. We are cooked. And no one is coming to save us. No one is coming to save South Africa unless you people of South Africa, like you did with apartheid, stand up. Speak against this government of ANC. Speak against this oppressive regime of corruption. Speak against the injustice that are happening in our communities. Unless we stand up individually, anyone who feels in their heart that I don't like this must stop, this must change. You don't need to go and protest and do what? By simply talking and rejecting, by simply talking against injustice, you are doing a difference. You are raising an awareness. We don't want Sharia law in South Africa. We don't want to be governed by Muslim. This is why they were allowing the borders to be porous, so that the foreigners who are Islamic, the Palestinians, the Pakistans, if you can notice, all these people who come from these foreign countries, they are Muslims. And they want Sharia law to govern South Africa. Under Sharia law, let me tell you, you are not sovereign. You are not a South African. You don't have rights because you are not Muslim. You are a second-class citizen. You will be beheaded just for not being a Muslim. So the strategy is coming close. They are close. They are very, very close to destroying this democracy. So if you love your children, if you love the future of this country, it's time for you to rise up. Speak against this government. You don't have to go and protest outside. By speaking here, by speaking on your social media, by rejecting, that it is enough. By making noise, we need to make noise. Social media is powerful more than going outside and protest. Social media is the new revolution. So now, I urge all people who love this country, who don't want to be subjected to the evil Sharia law, to rise up and speak against this government until something happens. We must speak every day, speak against this government. I thank you.